over the top chili, people. Come on, let's get involved. Woo, this lid's hot. Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we've got some over-the-top chili. It's gonna be incredible. We're gonna be cooking it on the green egg. We're gonna be doing all sorts of fun stuff with this chili. It's gonna be incredible. Thank you to my sister Lauren, by the way, for hooking me up with this recipe tonight. It's going to be insane. So we have Steve Wheeler on guitar tonight, guys. We also have Ian Atkinson on the keys and Kevin Pepper on bass and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved, people. Bam! Okay, so for our over-the-top chili, we're gonna be using an onion, 1 bell pepper, and 6 cloves. We're gonna chop all this up, and we're gonna throw it in our pan on the green egg. So we're gonna put a little olive oil in, get them to where they're a little translucent, and then we're gonna be going into the next step. So here we go. Okay, it is time to put our veggies in the Dutch oven. So here we go. Cook that down and we'll be right back. So while our veggies are cooking down in our Dutch oven, I'm gonna go ahead and get our meat formed into little balls, and we're gonna put this over the top of the Dutch oven. And while these cook, the dripping is gonna go right into that Dutch oven and add more flavor to this over the top chili. So let's go ahead and form up some meatballs. I've got my green egg set at 350 for this cook. And this is an indirect cook. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this jams, subscribe. Get involved, guys. We're having a blast over here. It's always a good time, and we really appreciate all those likes and subscribes. So get involved, people. Come on. Okay, now it's time to start adding in our canned vegetables and canned beans. So here we go. We're going to start off with, this is crushed tomatoes. 1 can of tomato sauce. All right, so we're going in with some fire roasted diced tomatoes with garlic. Stewed tomatoes. Dark red kidney beans. All right, so my sister swears by this stuff. This is Chili Magic by Bush's. So give that a shot. Adds tons of flavor. Along with some green chilies. Gonna give this a stir. All right, now we're gonna go in with some spices. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. That Chili Magic has a lot of salt in it, so beware. You can always add more salt later, but you can't take it out. Give this a stir. Last but not least, we need our McCormick chili powder. We're gonna give this a mix, and then we're gonna be sticking our meatballs right on top of this thing, and they're gonna cook down, and all those juices from the meatball are gonna come straight into this mix. Also, if you guys wanna try some of this Valentina sauce, this stuff's great in your chili. Give that a shot, you're gonna love it. Now, it's time for some meatballs. Thank you, Jeffrey. Check it out. You don't need any seasoning on this, just stick them right on. And we're gonna close this up. And we're gonna catch you guys back here in just a little bit. Woo! Don't wanna mess it up. All right.
Don't let them fall.
All right, there we go. Sweet. We'll catch you guys back here in a minute. You guys enjoy these gems? Like and subscribe. Come on, people! meatballs are looking great, guys. Check them out, and they are dripping. Those drippings are going right into that chili. We're gonna take these and put them on the board, chop them up, and stick them in the pot. So there we go. All right. Throw meatballs in. Amazing.
Yeah, I'm the morning guy, so I'm like, is this partner?
So do you used to be quite well?
Check that out, guys. Look, it's awesome. All right, sweet. We're gonna let this cook down. We're gonna catch you guys back here in a minute. All right, it's time to pull this chili. It is looking incredible. It smells incredible. Let's get involved with this, guys. Holy smokes. Woo-hoo.
Don't do it, Kevin.
Everybody is going to get to know each other in the pot.
Dude, look at that thing. Woo. So, all right, guys. Chili is ready. I'm gonna bring the guys on. We're gonna check it out, see what you guys think, see what they think, and then we're gonna keep on running. So, who do we have over here tonight, guys? We have Steve Wheeler. Come on down, Bubba. Steve Wheeler, what's up, Bubba?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you
Happy
too.
New Year. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. We also have Mr. Ian Atkinson over here on some keys. What's up, bro? How's it going? You excited?
Yeah,
All right. And we have Kevin Pepper. Come on down. What's up, Bubba? Hey, nice shirt. I love the gear. Yes, go Jags. Duval, baby, come on.
Ever since the team called me to play last week. That's it.
Yes, you're on it, dude. Well, you guys ready to get involved with some of this chili?
Do it.
By the way, we've got some cornbread here also, straight over from Anthony over here at Yellow Rose Barbecue. So this is going to be incredible.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, yeah.
Get a little just
Nice. Are you going in for some hot sauce? Yeah.
Just a little. Yeah, no, can have some.
Oh, yeah. Mazzy's ready. She's like, I don't think Mazzy can handle this.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, yeah. Go for it, man.
There we go.
Cheers, everybody.
Chili
Oh,
cheers.
man. Look at that. Chili cheers. Ooh, I like that. Chili cheers.
That's the chemizzle.
Oh. Oh. Ooh, yes. Oh, yes. Lauren, great recipe. This chili is just insane. I'm gonna throw a little cornbread in there too now. See what's going on with that. Oh man. Ooh, gotta get the cheese pull, right? Oh.
Let's go for another dip.
Oh.
Valentine. It's ruining my plans.
Oh my God. Guys, this is incredible. Woo!
No. You cannot have
Oh,
it.
dude, guys.
You're not gonna have it.
Mazzy wants to get some of this chili so bad.
I don't want to see you like a rocket dog.
Oh no. He's on a rip over here. Well, hey, thank you guys so much for being here and hanging out and wanting to get involved. Oh yeah, we're gonna be having some
Warm,
great.
like cold, black little heart.
Oh wow, hey, well that's all right. It's a new year, buddy. You make some changes. It's looking good.
That's right. Ever since you got
Sweet.
the pen.
Yeah, well, you know, I didn't want to say anything, but all right. So I'm gonna bring some other guys on over here. We're gonna give it a shot, and we're gonna catch you guys back here in a second. So thank you, gentlemen, so much. All right, so I'm gonna bring on 2 more guests to come and check out the chili. We've got Anthony over here, Anthony Hashem from Yellow Rose Barbecue. What's up, dude?
How's it going?
Thank you. Oh man, it's going great. Thank you so much for bringing that cornbread tonight. Ooh, it is setting off that chili. Perfect. And we also have Martine over here, Martine Quayshaw. What's up, Bubba? How's it going? You guys having a good time? You ready to get involved with some of this chili? All right, let's grab it up and go. I'm gonna get back involved too, because it is really something else. Oh, you gotta go in with the hot sauce too, for sure. Oh man. Incredible.
Wow.
You put this into a chili.
Smoke on there.
Oh yeah, that meat, the way the meatball, that smoke, cooking those meatballs right over the top. Yeah, you can. There's a lot of good smoke in there. Yeah, that's really good.
Wow.
Mmm.
This is excellent, man.
I gotta use this for a chili cook-off competition at some point. I think this would be definitely
It's over the top.
catching the, yeah, over the top. That's right, buddy, absolutely. Guys, we're having a ball over here. Thank you so much for tuning in, liking and subscribing. Get back to these jams. We're gonna catch you guys back here in a minute, so, woo! All right, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. You have got to try this chili. It is incredible. Oh my God.
Is it
What
over the top though?
It is over the top. Thank you very much, Jeffrey. What do you guys think of that over the top?
Amazing.
Incredible. Holy smokes. We still have somebody back here still chowing on here. What's up, Marty? Oh man, better late than never. Guys, we had an excellent show. Thanks so much for tuning in. Also, a big shout out to Derek Enner with the merch company. Always killing it, buddy. Thank you so much. And anything else, guys? Are we good? That's
Over
it.
the top.
That's it. Over the top. We had a good time, guys. All right, peace. We're going to catch you guys next time. Woo!